So Janet, I've realized that we have gotten a lot of calls from veterans from different states. And I guess my question to you is whether or not we can take veterans that are in California, Florida, or anywhere besides New York.
Yeah, of course we can. Veterans law, it's federal. So it doesn't really matter where the veteran is. It doesn't really matter where their representative is. Everything goes through the VA. So any applications, any paperwork that needs to be submitted on the veteran's behalf is done through one way and pretty much goes through one central area. So it doesn't really matter where they are. The law is the same.
Now, when we do an intake, we have the veteran usually come in and sign these forms. How do we get the forms to them, or can we get the forms to them if they're out of state?
Sure. We would send them a by mail packet, which would have all the appropriate forms in them. It would have our questionnaire in it so that we knew what was really going on with the case, what we were doing. And obviously, anytime there was some sort of change in the case, something that needed to be done, we would reach out to them. If they're in California, because of the time difference, we'd, of course, make accommodations for that. Because we don't do anything unilaterally. We like to keep the clients as involved in the process as we can. That doesn't mean they have to leave their house a lot, but if there's a compensation and pension examination that they need to attend, certainly they could do that. But in the other regards, we would do all the heavy lifting, the paperwork, the filing, all of that stuff.